Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful landing page using Shopify. The process is very simple and beginner friendly, okay? To build a custom landing page through Shopify, we will be using an app called PageFly. And don't worry, this app has a free plan and you won't need to spend any money to get started. So here we are on the Shopify dashboard. Now, one important thing, if you haven't created your Shopify account yet, you will find a link below this video. Just click that link to sign up for Shopify and enjoy their free trial, okay? And if you're not sure how to create a Shopify account step by step, I have already made a detailed video for that. I will leave the link to that video in the description below. Make sure to check it out if you are starting from scratch, okay? Alright, now let's get into the real work. On your Shopify dashboard, you will see a section called Apps in the sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. You will see a few suggested apps here, but we are not going to use any of those. Instead, click on Shopify App Store to open the App Marketplace. Once the App Store is open, head over to the search bar at the top and type PageFly. You will see the PageFly app appear in the search result. Just click on it. Here it is PageFly Landing Page Builder. You can read more about this app here on this page, but for now we are going to go ahead and install it. Now some of you might be wondering what exactly is PageFly and can't we just create a landing page directly using Shopify? Well, the answer is yes, you can create simple pages using Shopify's built-in theme editor, but here's the catch. The design flexibility is very limited. You are mostly stuck with the structure your theme allows. So, if you want to build something truly custom, like a high converting sales page, a special promotional page, or even a unique product showcase, you will either need to know how to code or hire a developer. That's where PageFly becomes incredibly useful. So, PageFly is a powerful drag and drop page builder app made just for Shopify. It allows you to create fully customized landing pages without writing a single line of code. You get total control over the design, whether you want to add videos, countdown, timeouts, testimonials, lead capture forms, or elements that only show on mobile. It offers far more design freedom than Shopify's default tools. Plus, it's super beginner friendly. So, if you really want your store to look different and convert better, PageFly is definitely a smart choice. Alright, I hope that cleared up your doubts. Now, let's go ahead and install PageFly inside our Shopify store. All you have to do is click on the install button here and then click install again to confirm. Once that's done, PageFly will start installing. Click next, close the pop-up if one appears, and continue by clicking next again. Now you will see the PageFly interface open up in front of you. Click on start from scratch and then hit skip all to move past and guided setup. And that's it, our PageFly dashboard is now open and ready to use. From here we will start building our landing page. So this was the complete process of how to install PageFly inside your Shopify store. I hope everything is clear so far. I am explaining each step in detail so that even beginners can follow along easily without getting stuck. And hey, if you face any issues at any point during the process, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I personally read and reply to every comment, so don't hesitate to reach out. And honestly, I don't think you will run into any problems because I have covered everything in detail. But just in case you do, I'm here to help. Just drop your question in the comment section, okay? So now at this point, you don't need to do anything complicated. Simply go to the pages section inside the PageFly dashboard and click on it. Once you do that, you will see a new interface appear with two options. You can either start from a blank page or you can use a pre-designed template and customize it according to your needs. If you choose to start with a blank page, it might be a bit challenging, especially if you are a beginner. Because you will need to know exactly how you want to design your landing page from scratch. You will need to build everything manually, section by section, right? But if you choose to start with a template, the process becomes much easier. All you have to do is drag and drop elements, replace the images and text, and you are good to go. Templates come with a ready-made structure, so you can just tweak things to suit your brand or product. That's why I recommend starting with a template, especially if this is your first time creating a landing page, right? So I will go ahead and click on create form template. Now you will see a variety of options on the screen. Out of all the categories available, click on the regular category. Here you will find many beautiful templates. As of now, there are 129 templates available, but we want landing page specific templates. So let's apply a quick filter. Click on the type drop down and from here select landing page. Now you will see around 27 landing page templates that are designed specifically for landing page. Okay. From here, just choose any template that fits your needs. Okay. So I personally recommend picking a simple and clean layout because the simpler your landing page looks, the better it usually performs. Clean designs tend to load faster and keep your audience focused on your offer. So for this tutorial, I will go ahead and choose one of these templates. Let's say this one, for example, okay? So I will click on preview to take a quick look at the layout and design. As you can see, it looks really nice and professional. Now I will click select to use this template. Once selected, the PageFly editor will open. This is where the magic happens. From here, we can start customizing everything, change the images, edit the text, move sections, and design the landing page exactly the way we want. In any good landing page, the very first and most important section is called the hero section. This is the top part of your page that immediately grabs attention. A typical hero section includes a big headline, a subheadline, an eye-catching image or video, and a call to action button. In this template, all of these elements are already there. We just need to customize them to fit our brand, right? So let's start by replacing the headline. To do that, I will simply click on the headline text, select it, and paste my own custom headline. Timeless style limited time offer up to 50% off on watches. Since I'm creating this landing page for a watch brand, this headline makes sense. You can, of course, write your own headline depending on what you are promoting. Next, I want to adjust the alignment of this headline. To do that, I will go to the styling tab on the right panel, scroll down, and you will see the text alignment option. I will choose the alignment I prefer, and you can see that now our headline is nicely aligned and looks perfect. Now let's change the sub headline in the same way. I will click on the sub headline text, select it, and paste my own line here. Just like my headline, I also created this sub headline with the help of ChatGPT. If you ever need help writing strong, clear copy for your landing page, feel free to use ChatGPT to generate your own main headline or sub headline. It's super helpful. Next, let's change the image in our hero section. To do that, I will click directly on the image. Then in the right panel under the general tab, you will see the image settings. Click on the image thumbnail, then click on select from library. Here you will see all your uploaded images. If your image isn't uploaded yet, just click upload and choose the image from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, select it and click done. As you can see, our hero image has now been successfully replaced. Now, if you would like to experiment with how the image behaves or looks, you can also explore the styling tab. For example, you can change normal state to mouse over. You can adjust settings like opacity to make the image slightly transparent or solid. You can even add a shadow under the image to make it pop. Just enable the shadow setting from the styling panel, and as you can see, the subtle shadow has now appeared in the image. It looks more polished and professional, right? You can adjust the shadow settings as well depending on the look you are going for. Basically, it takes some time to play around with these options, try different styles, image settings, and effects until you find something that fits your brand and feels right for your page, okay? So now if you want to completely change the entire hero section, you can do that too. The process is the same. Just select the full section, go to the styling tab on the right panel, and from there you will see all the customization options available. You can experiment with different styles and settings to get the look you want. For example, you can even add a border around the hero section to give it a more refined and stylish appearance. That's the beauty of using templates in PageFly. Everything is editable. If you want to change something, whether it's text, an image, or a whole section, you just need to click on that element and the full customization panel will open up on the side. You can then make all the changes you want easily and quickly. In the same way, you can replace any heading or image on your page. Just click edit and update. It's that simple. Now, what if you want to add a completely new section to your landing page? That's easy too. You just need to click on the plus icon, then click on template, and you will see a library of pre-made sections you can add. To find what you need faster, click on category and choose a specific type of section. For example, if you want to add an order tracking section, you can select this category. Or if you want to add trust badges to build credibility, just click on the trust badge category. You will see several pre-designed options ready to use. There are also templates for newsletter sign-up forms, which are great for collecting email addresses. You will even find dedicated templates for logo sections, FAQs, and much more. Whatever type of section you need, you can simply select it and PageFly will add it directly to your landing page. Once added, you can edit and customize it just like we did with the hero section. Change the text, images, colors, and layout to match your brand and style, okay? This makes building a landing page with PageFly not only easy but also super fixable. Whoa, and yes, if you want to add a link to a button, the process is super simple. Just click the button to select it. Then on the right hand side, go to the General tab, scroll down a little, and you will see an option called Action. Click on it, then click on Select Click Action. Here you will see a list of actions to choose from. If you want someone to be redirected to another page or website when they click on the button, simply select Go to URL and enter your link. If you want a pop-up to open when someone clicks on the button, choose the Open Pop-up option. And if you want the button to automatically scroll to another section on the same page like a product section or form, choose Scroll to section. You can customize it based on the goal of your landing page. Once you are happy with all your edits, you can preview your landing page by clicking the preview icon. If everything looks good, click save and then click save again to confirm. After that, click publish to make your landing page live. And don't worry, even after publishing, you can come back at any time to edit or update your landing page. PageFly makes it super easy to make changes whenever you need, okay? So that's the complete process of how to create a landing page using Shopify and PageFly. If you still have any questions or something wasn't clear, feel free to drop a comment below this video. I will definitely reply and help you out. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this one. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.